Hello everyone, it's me Robin, I'm back here again. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got at this big Smith's. It was actually massive, like the biggest shop I've actually ever found. So, I have a lot of stuff, and I mean a lot. Yeah, a lot. So what we're going to start off is with a banana split or banana royal, whatever you want to call it. Slime jelly. See, it's a nice colour. Actually quite sticky. Like it's a really nice colour though. So yeah, it's like in boarding class and like I'm just placing like yeah, you could get if you have one of these, put it in the drawer. Take it out. Play with it. Yeah, stretch it. Stretch. Yeah, just keep stretching it a little bit. Oh no, the teacher's coming. And screw the lid on. Back. Perfect. That is, and it's called a Pulley Woolly. I'm gonna get them. Now we're moving on to. Oh no, we have another slime thing. No, well, we're moving on to squishies, but there is a terrible slime here. It is disgusting. Look at that. Disgustingness. And it's gasping. Ew. That's disgusting. I just hate it. Right, moving on to squishies. Aliens. Those aliens, so guys. This is my second smallest squishy. It's not really squishy, it's really good. It doesn't actually rise. You know them alien things? Alien beds, yeah, that's a slime to it. That's probably slash disgusting. And this is the alien to it. Sort of like a squishy. Oh, big enough. Okay. That is it. Look, like, you know, the egg things. They go like that, yeah. It is disgusting. How long has it been? 3 minutes ago. That's not bad, because on my thing it tells me. Moving on to squishies. I like them too. A pizza squishy. Smells so nice. So yeah, it's really squishy, really rising. Love this squishy so much. Just like yep, too rough. It's really nice and squishy. Just need to bite on my pizza. It's really thick. Look how thick that is. It's that thick. Jeez. I didn't actually eat that. Okay. Done the first squishy. I can chew. Next I have a unicorn. It's really nice. You can see. Really nice squishy. Oh, it's so nice. I love this squishy. Now, for the biggest squishy I have, it's massive, and I mean actually massive. The massive Professor Oak. God, I'm gonna have to go and do this thing quick. It's like something's going on. Well, not actually going on, but like sort my TV out. Turns down.
So I'm just swinging the amount of vanilla. I think I put a lot in. Today I'll be making a vanilla and passion fruit slice.
So yeah, I had to put my TV back on because there's something that's like really weird about it. It's quite scary. This video. This massive professor is the most amazing squishy. It was because the alien isn't actually my smallest squishy I have. No, it is a smaller one. I love this squishy so much. It's my favourite one because this one is so slow rising. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna call this. I don't know. Another just like a vesta. Alright, now I'm going to show you my smallest squishy I ever have. It's this one. You see? Right. Oh no, block the camera. Yeah, this actually squishy is really slow rising. Just like the Professor. What did I call it? I don't know. Don't know what I called it. Don't know. It's really, really cute. Look how cute that is. It's a little milkshake. Squish, squish, squish. Yeah. Can't touch this. Now I'm coming down to my new squishies. 2 new squishies, and then I'll show you my old bad squishies. Well, they're not actually quite bad, but like maybe I don't know how many of them are bad. So first, I'm gonna show you the taco. I have a lot of food ones, like free food, and the rest of them are food. Well, the old ones are. This taco is so nice. Yeah, just. It might not be slow rising, but it is a very good squishy. It has meat, cheese, lettuce, more meat and more cheese. I just love the squishy so much. It's amazing. Oh my last squishy. I'm going to take a break. So the camera right. How did I do it last time? Sorry guys. That just happened, and it was really, 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 like it went like that. It's really nice. It's a dog, pink, white, and red dog squishies. Yeah, love it so much. I'm just, sorry, that's just the slime. Yeah, because my brother's in here, he just doesn't go on the camera. He's really shy, aren't you? I'm really shy. He's just asleep, so yeah. He's not really asleep, he's just like half asleep. Well, a quarter asleep. Like, barely asleep, yeah. So yeah, I just love this stuff so much. So yeah, guys, I made some mini pies and I need to put these in them. So yeah, I'll do that now. Start with my brother's one I made him. It says Hate 30. I've been hoping I'm gonna put a magnet on it. I'm gonna do some singing while I do this. What song should I sing? Yes, Lost Boy. I don't even know. There was a time when I was alone. Nowhere to go and no place to go home. My only friend was the man in the moon. Even sometimes he would go away too. Then one bright night He came to me with the sweetest smile, promised he would go for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what he called me. Promise that I'll never be lonely ever since that day. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And at the bars we play in the woods, always on the run from cat and hug. Run, run, lost boys, he said to me, away from lost boys, reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me are free. He sprinkled me in plenty of and told me to believe in him, to believe in me. He's followed to the destiny. Don't know the accents, so sorry guys. I could just do that. Yeah, do that. Look guys, like if you just do it in front of a black dot, very nice. Turns like look. You can still see me. If you do it there. Bye guys, hello guys, bye guys, hello. Yeah. I'm gonna do that in a minute. I'm gonna do that. Let me try it with this. Yeah, I'll just do that. Sprinkled me in pretty toast and told me to believe in him and believe. We forward to the pinky doesn't know. Guys, I'm just gonna try something. Guys, can you see that? That's like something you might not be able to see, but it's really cool. You can see inside my iPad. Because that is inside my iPad. It's cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's my favourite magnet. Made. Sprinkled me and put it. Now I might sing the full Jake Paul song. Yo, little brother Jackie trying to roast me. What? Little brother standing on his little feet. I'm a dog, you're a puppy, color calm. Sit up at the cupboard, just you call a drunk. She should be every other day. Just a strong advice. I made you friendly once. It's a better habit twice. Yeah, you're on Disney, but who helped read all your life as me? Don't forget, but you're on my shadow online. Yeah, you got a full success and you think you're I admit you got money, you got balls, you touch your way. You were thinking for your friends, kind of funny. You're not in 1910 and making any money, so it starts with the time. It's hard when you go now. You think it goes with social because I'm the favorite son. You're a maverick, I'm an average. Yeah, I brought you to late. It is one thing you should know. You don't, the little gang, I don't know that bit. Hey Jake, yeah, we used to love each other. After all, we came from the same mother. Biologically, you know, this makes a brother. So much negativity. I don't know. Hey Jake, you just need a maverick shot. When you insult me, Jakey, it really hurts. Sometimes I wish my real brother would duck. And then I gotta get away and put you in the dirt. So I know, guys. This is a finishing magnet, so I'm just going to put them together quick. They're not good at painting. Just look at this one, is crazy. I know, so many. So this is a single one. It's just half black with some green. Then this is a pink. And blue on the outside. And this one is just a green with white. This is one for my brother. This is one for my mum. This is just a plain black. And this is purple. And like teal.